Is this belly gonna grow? I'm growing it just for you. Like how big it's getting? Oh, it's so large. Oh, I just want to make it even bigger. I love gnocchi. Oh, this is with mushroom sauce and with cream. I'm gonna be able to eat this. Oh. As I chew and all the great flavors are going in my mouth, you can feel the pasta going down my throat, resting comfortably in my stomach. And then had to go through my digestive system, come through, and my body's going to pull out everything it needs and store all the fats right here just for you. It's for your viewing pleasure. And my eating pleasure. Wow. This is really, really good. You can say, oh, well, look at it. It's egg roll. I wonder if I can fit the whole thing in my mouth. I mean, it's smaller than a dick, right? Should be easy. So good. You have to have vegetables. Don't forget your veggies. So good, everything. I can't wait for all of this to get digested. My chef, always taking care of me.
Which I even have, just for your ease of use. Yeah, 2 of them.
2 forks.
Do you just want to eat off of each one, or do you want a separate plate?
No, I'm just gonna eat it straight. Why dirty more dishes?
There you go.
And you know what? There's no more room on the table for a plate.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay, for dinner, be sure to add extra fatty stuff.
Ooh, you've got it. Done.
My skirt is not tight enough. There's still some room here, look. We gotta fill that up. Ooh. Oh. She's always thinking about me. These taquitos are meatless. Because even though we want to get fat, we don't want high cholesterol, right? I want to live a good long time being heavy. Being healthy. A healthy heavy.